$275. That's what I spent for this running and driving 2015 Infiniti Q50. Sale price $275. I posted the car yesterday. The next day, look at all the parts that are gone already. The front radiator core support, that's gone. Sold that for $300. The door is gone. Sold that for $250. Well, actually $240. Fender is gone. Sold that for $100. The mirrors are gone. Sold both for $80. This is gone. The dash is gone. Seatbelt is gone. Hood, we still have the hood. Someone's coming today for the hood. $400 for the hood. But yeah, that's basically it. I made like $1,200 today. All right, y'all, boom. We just sold some more parts. That liquid just arrived. $275 for Infiniti. Just got here. Let's go see it. Yeah. Bumper's low. All right, y'all, here's the $275 Q50. Look at this car, y'all. Look at all the parts we can use on this. And it runs and drives because the driver just took it off the trailer, turned it on, put it in reverse, put it in drive, got it here. I mean, what a steal. This might be the steal of the year. $275 for a running and driving Infiniti Q50. Everything inside's good. No airbags deployed, nothing. Seatbelts are good. Steering wheel is good. Like, everything is good on this car. Of course, besides the back where it got hit. I'll show you that one right now. Boom. This is the crazy part. This is why I went for $275. But still, even at $275, a door alone, just the door alone is $275, $300 if you look on the junkyards. So boom, and we got 4 doors, we got fenders, we got rims and wheels, we got a hood, we got a windshield, we got mirrors, we got headlights, we got front bumper, we got a grill, we got lower grill, we got turn signals, we got an engine, we got a transmission, we have seats, airbags, and it goes on and on, guys. I mean, $275, I might get $6,000 out of this car if I completely part it out. I mean, would you guys take this in trade or what? $275 for a Q50. Let me come over here, pop the hood. Boom, engine and transmission are good in this car, I believe. The hood hinges do not hold, so 1 second. I have to put the phone down. All right, as you can see, I got the battery connected. Now let's come over here and try to turn it on, see if we got juice. We got power now, we got something coming on. Let's see if this car will turn on now. Whoop, there we go. She's alive. 124,000 miles. We got the sunroof, 2 screens. We got seatbelts. We got all good seats. Let's see what we got in here. We got 2 free pens. But all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and move the car real quick. So I'll move the car around to the back, all the way to the back, and put it backwards. This is a crazy look. I can't let everyone be seeing this. So let me go ahead and move this real quick, and I'll catch you guys when I get it inside. All right, first time putting it into gear, reverse. It works. It's scraping hard. It's scraping on the wheel in the back, but it is what it is. Let's go forward. There's another Q50 that I have right now. Yep, goes into gear. Engine works. I can probably hear the wheel scraping in the back, but that's all good. So I'm gonna put this car probably all the way back here. Let's see, yep, right here. And I'll run through everything with you guys, show you guys how much we can make on this car. Come outside. Like I said, y'all, the engine's good. You got a little exhaust note. Engine alone is at least $1,000, like minimum. Engine alone, $1,000, right? So we got the engine, boom, $1,000. We got 4 doors. Let's just make it even. We'll say the doors are $1,000, right? For 4 of them, $1,000. That's super cheap. So boom, we're already at $2,000. Engine, a band, 4 doors, $1,000. 2 fenders, let's say 100 each, so we're at 200. Front bumper, at least 300. Both headlights are about 200 each. Front bumper, I already said front bumper. We got the grills, turn signals, rims. Rims are like the whole set for like at least 400. We'll just say 300. Then we got the airbag. 100, seat 100, seat belt 75, another seat belt 75, 2 screens, dashboard, transmission. Ooh, y'all, this is the all-wheel drive. This is the all-wheel drive version. The transmission on this car is $2,000, guys. I mean, look, if we add everything up, we're looking at about like $7,000 to $8,000 just off this car alone, just parting it out. So, I mean, this is a good flip. Not even a flip. I'm not flipping it. I'm just parting it out. But for $275 after fees, it came out to $463. So after the Copart fees and everything, it was $463 plus the title mail fee, which was $20. So $483. And then I just paid the transport driver $300. So that puts us at $783 for this car. If I sell just the engine, I'll make $1,000 and make profit. And that's just the engine, not anything else on this car. Oh, and the hood, I forgot to say the hood. The hood is $500. $400 if you want to like sell it quick. $400, boom, hood. Now, I made this video to show you guys that it's not always just one way to make money in the car business. You don't just have to buy a car, fix it, and flip it. You can buy a car and just part it out. Like, no problem at all. You can part out cars. Junkyards make a lot of money because they part out cars. Because they buy a car like this for stupid cheap, $500, $600, and boom, they sell the engine, make $1,000 already. So, you know, that's the business in the junkyard business. Also, just parting out cars. You know, it's super profitable, and there are many ways you can make money in this business. You don't have to just buy a car, fix it, and flip it. You can part it out like this, or you can also rent out a car. That's something I'm gonna do later on, inshallah. But yeah, another lesson I want you guys to understand is that you need to always be ready when the opportunity presents itself. That means being on the auction every day. If you're really trying to do this business, you have to be on the auction basically almost every day because you never know when a steal is going through. This car went for $275. Nobody bid on it. Imagine if I didn't bid on it. Somebody would have won it for $250 basically because that was the max bid previously. So somebody would have won this car for $250 if I wasn't on the auction. But I guess people were snoozing that day and boom, I got it for $275. So you got to stay ready at all times. Now let me show you guys the damage in more detail. As you can see, completely crushed back here. I mean, just all the way caved in. Trunk is done for. Taillight's definitely done for. You know, this is the frame rail. As you can see, just completely just crushed. Looks like a truck hit it. Back windshield smashed. You know, this car, you know, it's fixable. It's just crazy to say this is fixable. You could fix this and try to sell this car, but for me, it's just not worth it. I wouldn't feel comfortable fixing this car and selling it to somebody. All right, y'all, it's literally a couple days later. I posted the car yesterday. The next day, look at all the parts that are gone already. The front radiator core support, that's gone. Sold that for $300. The door is gone. Sold that for $250. Well, actually $240. Fender is gone. Sold that for $100. The mirrors are gone. Sold both for $80. This is gone. The dash is gone. Seatbelt is gone. What else? That's it. Oh, rim. They took a rim. Come to this side. Mirror is also gone. Dash, airbag. All that is gone. I think I got like $1,200. And another fender as well. So each fender was $200. No, each fender was $100. So both for $200. Each mirror was $80. So that's $160. That radiator core support, I sold it for $300. The dash was $400 with the airbag. The seatbelt was $75. What else? And the rim was $100. And that's it. It came out to like, I think like $1,200 or $1,300. What else do you think? Oh, these right here. So the turn signals and the bezel and the lower grille, that was for $60. Headlights, we still have the headlights. Hood, we still have the hood. Someone's coming today for the hood. $400 for the hood. Boom. Making money. Dinero. But yeah, that's basically it. I made like $1,200 today just off this car. So the car is paid for already, done. I got my money back and I made profit. And that's just in a couple of days, y'all. Thumbnail. Maybe it's a thumbnail. All right, y'all, boom. We just sold some more parts. A lot more parts. We sold the hood and the headlights, $720. More, boom. Y'all, this parting cars out, it's a move, y'all. But appreciate y'all for watching. Catch you next video. Peace.